Hello guys, I'll show you how to get a gravitee gun. Now show me the way. Show the way out. You have to click the yellow one to be from Mr. Ragdoll. You have to get the grape cook. Click to Mr. Ragdoll. Bruh, I clicked the part. Okay. You have to let this going up there to reach a part up there. Before you have to follow me where I go. Just wait too long before I reach the part. If you reach the part when Mr. Ragdoll goes up, you have to let go of Mr. Ragdoll. And there's a gravitee gun. Click it. Click the gravitee gun to this. It's super ray when you do that. Let me show you. You click to Mr. Noob 2. Wait. Oh my god. I still missed it. Did you see the Mr. Noob 2? There wasn't super brave about this. Okay, this is an awful video, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.